After spending 4 rainy days and getting our fill of shrimp and lobster in Cayo Cuervo, it was time to head 20 miles west to the anchorage of Cayo Cinco Balas. Hey there, welcome to our channel. We are Rich, Christy, and Tyler. And this is our home, a catamaran sailboat named Sail Pending. Travel along with us and sail on Sail Pending. Even though the rain stopped, there is still forecast to be storms on and off for the next 24 hours. So we wanted a very protected anchorage, and Cayo Cinco Balas fit the bill. There's a very easy entrance, and the anchorage is completely surrounded by mangroves. This is really shallow. Looks like seagrass though.
Stop the engine and let us float in. And then we'll back up.
The beach was deserted and it was pretty eerie. Everything along it was dead. There were even a lot of bones scattered around from dead animals. The only sign of any life was the iguana tracks. Just took a quick walk along the outside edge of the beach and then got back in the dinghy. Our dinghies are like our cars. This is how we get from the big boat to the beach and to the bars. If it wasn't for our dinghy, we wouldn't be able to explore as much and we'd be stuck on the boat more often. But any cruiser knows you have a love-hate relationship with your dinghy.
Oops. Why are you zooming in on me?
Even when the dinghy breaks down and you have to get towed, you've got to have a good attitude.
Oh yeah!
Woohoo! Look at this! Is it gonna be a quick swamp? The next morning, all 3 boats hauled anchor and we headed north for a 40-mile sail to Cayo ZaZa de Furia. Since we were sailing just outside the reef in over 1,000 feet of water, fishing was pretty good.
Woohoo! Nice little tuna.
Tyler even noticed we had an extra passenger along for the ride. A remora stuck himself to the hull and rode along. Cayo ZaZa is a wide open anchorage. There is not much protection from storms or any weather coming from the west. As soon as we arrived, all 3 boats put their water toys in the water and went to explore. Rich and I wanted to go check out this little beach area.
We'll jump in and walk it over there.
Just tie it right up. Is that a crocodile?
I don't know what the hell that was. Oh no.
We ventured a little farther in with the oars, and Rich was going to tie the dinghy to a tree so we could take a little walk.
Just tie something to this tree. It's like freaking quicksand.
Well, I guess we won't be able to walk around in here. So then we went to try to find the kids. And it looked like they were having a good time playing in the mangroves.
What you guys doing?
Well, remember what I said about the anchorage not being protected from the west or storms? A freak, unforecasted storm blew in from the west. So it was time to hunker down and get everything secure. Thanks for following along on our journey, and stay tuned. Tomorrow we set sail for Cayo Macho de Fiora. And if you haven't done so, please subscribe to our channel so you don't miss an episode.